Hello, my dear students. I am Mukesh Kumar Oza, Faculty of Chemistry, teaching in Jesus and Mary Academy. I am taking your class 10, chapter 1, periodic table. First of all, here one question arises: what is periodic table? A tabular arrangement of element in groups, that is called vertical column, and periods, that is called horizontal row, highlighting the regular trends in properties of element is called periodic table. One question arises: how many number of groups in periodic table? The number of group is equal to 18. And again question arises: how many number of periods? The number of period is equal to 7. And you have studied in class 9 the contribution of Dovrener's, Newlands and Manliffe to the classification of elements. And according to Dovrener's, grouped the elements in 3, that is called triads, with similar properties such that the atomic weight of the middle element was the arithmetic mean of the other two. For example, calcium, scrantium and barium. An arithmetic mean of calcium and barium is equal to strontium. And other example, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Arithmetic mean, sum of arithmetic mean chlorine and iodine is equal to bromine. Second, according to Newlands, every 8 element beginning from any elements resemble the first element in its physical and chemical properties. That means after every 8 elements, again repeated elements properties is equal. And again Manliffe, the properties of element are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. That means Manliffe periodic table on the basis of atomic mass. Only 63 elements known of that time, Manliffe time. Here again Henry Moseley and Moseley gives very valuable and predictable prediction. According to Moseley, the physical and chemical properties of element are the periodic function of their atomic number. That means Moseley periodic table on the basis of atomic number. Moseley gives modern periodic table. Again, features of modern periodic table. We know that number of group is equal to 18 in periodic table and number of period is equal to 7. Group 18 vertical column is called group. Each column accommodates elements with the same number of electron in outermost shell, that is valency is same, that is valency is same. First group first, this element are known as alkali metal. That means first group is called alkali metal except hydrogen, as they from strong alkalis with water. What? As from strong alkali with water. Most reactive group of all periodic table. That means first group is most reactive group of all periodic table. Second group is called alkaline earth metal, and second most reactive group of periodic table. And again Group 3 to 12s are known as transition element. Group 3 to 12 element is known as transition element, and group 3 to 12 group is also known as D block elements. Next, group 13. Group 13 is called boron family because they start from boron. Group 14. Group 14 is called carbon family because they start from carbon. Group 15 is called nitrogen family because they start of nitrogen. Group 16 start from oxygen. And again, most important, group 17. And group 17 is called halo groups or halogen family. Start chlorine. And halo groups chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine and statin. And last group 18. And group 18 is called zero groups. Elements of this group are called noble gas or inert gas. Again, group 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 are known as representative elements. Second topic, period. First question arises, what is period? 7 horizontal rows in the modern periodic table are known as period. Known as period. We know that number of period is equal to 7. Number of period is equal to 7. First period. Period first. Period first is called shortest period, and number of element present in this period is 2. An atomic number from 1 to 2, and number of cell is equal to 1. And second period is called short period. Second period is also called short period, and number of element present in this period 8, and atomic number from 3 to 10, and number of cell is equal to 2. Period third, also called short period, and number of element present in this period 8, and atomic number from 11 to 18, and number of cell is equal to 3. Period 4, and period 4 is called long period. Number of element present 18, and atomic number from 19 to 36, and number of cell is equal to 4. Period 5 is called long period. Number of element 18, atomic number of from 37 to 54, or number of cell 5. Again, period 6, longest period. Period 6 is called longest period, and number of elements 32, and atomic number from 55 to 86, number of cell 6. Period 7, and 7 is also called longest period, and number of element 32, atomic number of the from 87 to 118, and number of cell 7. Above discussion, here one point clear. Number of period is equal to number of cell. For example, first period, first cell, second period, second cell, third period, third cell, fourth period, fourth cell, 5 period, 5 cell, 6 period, 6 cell, 7 period, 7 cell. Clear? And here one notes, lanthanides group 3 of the 6th period and actinides group 3 of the 7 periods. Clear that lanthanide series and actinide series. given bottom of the periodic table, lanthanide series is part of 6 period and actinide series is part of 7 period. That's belong to group 3. Again, one point is clear that number of period is equal to number of cell. For example, second period, any one elements, carbon, atomic number 6, electronic configuration 2 and 4, number of cell 1 and 2, number of cell is equal to 2, and period second, the second period number of cell is equal to 2. That's example clear that. Next point, periodicity. Here one question arises again, what is periodicity? The properties that reappears or at regular intervals, increase or decrease, are called periodic properties, and phenomenon is known as periodicity of element. The cause of periodicity in the recurrence of similar electronic configuration, that is having same number of electron in the outermost orbit in the cause of periodicity in the recurrence of similar electronic configuration, that having same number of electron in the outermost orbit, यानी number of electron present in outermost cell has same, that means similar physical and chemical properties. For example, group 7. Group 7 is also called halo groups or halogen groups, producer of salt. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Fluorine atomic number 9, chlorine atomic number 17, bromine atomic number 35, iodine atomic number 53, and astatine atomic number 85. And fluorine has 2 shell, chlorine has 3 shell, bromine has 4 shell, iodine has 5 shell, and astatine has 6 shell. And configuration, fluorine atomic number 9 and configuration 2, 7, chlorine atomic number 17, configuration 2, 8 and 7, bromine atomic number 35 and configuration 2, 8, 18 and 7, iodine atomic number 53 and configuration 2, 8, 18, 18, 7, astatine atomic number 85 and configuration 2, 8, 18, 32, 18 and 7. Here one point clear, all elements have outermost shell its same electron, that's 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and fluorine is second period, chlorine third period, bromine fourth period, iodine fifth period, astatine sixth period, and number of cell is equal. Configuration 2 shell second period, third cell 1, 2, 3 third period, 4 shell 1, 2, 3, 4 fourth period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 cell fifth period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 and 6 cell 6 period. That's clear that number of cell is equal to number of periods. The number of electron present in outermost cell of all element of group 17 is 7. Hence all properties are same. And next topic, valency. And first question arises, what is valency? The losing or gaining tendency of an electron from outermost cell to attain nearest electronic configuration of a stable atom is called valency. That means number of electron. And second question arises, what is valence electron? The number of electrons present in outermost orbit is called valence electron. Here some differences: valency and valence electron. Losing or gaining tendency is called valency, and electron present in outermost shell or orbit is called valence electron. For example, Mg, magnesium, atomic number 12, electronic configuration 282, valence electron, outermost orbit 2, and valence electron 2, and valency also 2, because losing or gaining tendency. 2 electron losing easily with respect to 6 electron gaining to achieve octet rule. And again, second example, chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic configuration 287, valence electron 7, outermost orbit present electron 7, and valence electron 7, and valency 1, because 1 electron gaining is more easier than 7 electron losing. Hence valency is equal to 1.